Favoriting your exercises is a super fast way to find the exercises. We've got a big database, so it can take a bit of time while you get used to the exercises, where those exercises are. So let's create an exercise plan. Now you'll see here the favorite exercise category, and this is where all the starred exercises will be. So let's just go to our shoulder exercises, and if I go to all, you can see the favorited exercises appear at the top. To favorite an exercise, it's really easy. All you have to do is simply select the star. So just select the star and that exercise is now favorited. Select the star and select the star. Now if you want to grey out an exercise because you just think the exercise is just one you'd never prescribe, you might say, I don't like the pendulum, I'm never going to prescribe pendulum, so I'm just going to grey it out. You can grey it out, and next time you reload the page, the favourite exercises will be at the top and the greyed out exercises will be greyed out, so it just makes browsing even quicker. That's how to favourite an exercise.